Did you know that getting fired for doing the right thing can sometimes be the best career move you'll ever make? Jake stared at his computer screen, reading his explosive story about the mayor's corrupt deals. His newspaper owner stormed in with a clear demand: kill this story, or you're fired. The expose revealed how the mayor was funneling city contracts to companies owned by Jake's boss. Publishing meant losing his job. Staying quiet meant betraying everything he believed in. Jake's hands trembled as he hit send to his editor. 20 minutes later, security escorted him out. For months, Jake struggled as a freelancer, living on savings and determination. But his story gained national attention. Other journalists began investigating similar corruption in their cities. 2 years later, Jake won a Pulitzer Prize. The mayor resigned in disgrace. Jake's former newspaper was sold to ethical owners who hired him back as editor-in-chief. His courage didn't just save his career, it transformed how local governments operate across the country. Sometimes standing up costs everything. Sometimes it gives you everything back, with interest.